what's up, everybody? I go by the names Gills Collins, and you're watching my ride right about now. Yeah, as you know, I'm dressed by high wear, that's why I'm looking this fresh, you know what I mean? Just to bring you your favorite show on your favorite TV channel, that is Magic One. Keep it locked, don't touch the dial. Let's go. This is a 2008 ISIS. That's the model of the car, and it goes up for about 26 to 27 million. You can own yourself an ISIS 2008 model. But it's crazy that today I'm not here to talk about this car in particular. I'm going to be bringing you something very, very, very good and beneficial to you car owners out there. You know, here on my ride, we try so much to make sure the show is beneficial to you. At the same time, you get entertained by it. We're going to talk about car theft and at the same time, basically car security. When it comes to the security of your car, very many people in Uganda don't really take it as a thing to make sure their cars are kept in check so that they don't have to worry about, you know, their cars being stolen or something like that. So right about now, I'm going to introduce my guest, my very old friend. He goes by the name Mr. Babu, but you know, I call him Babu Motors, as always. But I'm going to be introducing him to you guys, and he'll tell you his full names probably. But today we're going to be talking about GPS tracking device. This is very, very essential when it comes to your car safety, and Babu Motors provides these services to you, as is going to be explained to us, and mind you, is going to show us as well how this tracking device works, from how it is installed in the car, how important is it, and at the same time, you know, how beneficial it is to you when your car is stolen. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. It's good to see you.
Thank you very much, you guys. It's a pleasure to see you again at my place.
As always, definitely. It's a pleasure for me as well.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So we're here today to talk about the GPS tracking device,
Okay.
of which I think that's a very, very good and, you know, interesting thing to introduce to Ugandans. When it comes to car theft, it's very, very rampant, and people usually don't know what to do and how to even prevent it from happening. So Mr. Babu here is going to be talking to us about that. He's going to show us everything. He's going to explain how the GPS tracking device works. Definitely, it's very, very important for you, a car owner. Yes, Mr. Babu. Yeah, let's carry on now.
All right, my brother. Thank you. Yeah, we can start with how GPS tracking device looks like. And then I will give you my technician to explain how it is installed. And then definitely I will take you through how you operate it from your phone. And then how we operate it from our database control room. I will take you through. And definitely we shall do the demonstration here, how in case your vehicle is stolen, and how we recover it, and how fast and quick it is. Okay. And then also I'll you will have a chance to hear from one of the victim. Actually, we have installed for her on this vehicle, and she have been victim. Her car was stolen, and actually she was used to think that a GPS, who is going to touch my car, and end of the day, my car is in my house. So she was like, she will talk about her whatever. Actually, it's not only about, let's say, safety. A GPS does a lot of job. Okay, it does give you the history of your vehicle. It does give you the speed of your vehicle. It does give you where the vehicle was, at what time, where it was, at what time, what speed it was moving. For example, let's say you want to know yesterday where the vehicle was. You are able to see where the vehicle was yesterday, at what particular time. And for your information, you can go as back as 3 months. If you want to know maybe 1 month back on this particular date where the vehicle was and at what speed it was moving, we are able to show you, and we are going to show you right now. Let me remove my phone, and we start with this particular car. Okay. This is mobile view. I will show you from computer also as well. As you can see, it is showing Kampala, Central Uganda. So which means the vehicle is in Kampala, Central Uganda. Here down it's showing the number plate of the vehicle. As you can see, UBH 682S. Then we put the client's name. to easily identify who is the owner of this car. Okay, so I'm going to show you through satellite mode. Now it is satellite mode. I have to zoom it. When I zoom, it shows me currently, you know, when you are zooming, the map takes few seconds to load because we have changed it from map to a satellite mode. Now you are able to see this vehicle is parked particularly on this here where the arrow is the blue arrow. Okay, so I little bit zoom and zoom a little bit more, and the structure of the building shows like this. Okay, here the vehicle is parked. Now I am going to take briefly this dashboard away so that we can clearly see. So this is the button. When you click here, the dashboard is taken away, so you can see it's showing here. Okay, now when here is a tree, here is a building. Now first of all I show you where exactly it is. It is near, you can see, Mariam Road. Okay, and there is a Mariam High School. Okay, now the vehicle is this side and it is parked in the compound. Okay, now I mean, when you, even if you can tell your cameraman to rotate around and show the building, it will be showing this building, which is this one, through the satellite. And then there is this small building this side also. Then
that's actually where we are right now.
Oh, yes, that's where we are right now.
Yeah, so maybe that's where we are right now, and that's what the satellite system is trying to show us.
The tree.
Yeah,
this is the tree in the compound.
Yeah, and then the tree, you know, that we just saw on the phone is actually there. Yeah, that's true.
The view on the screen is small, but we are able to see that that's where it is. Now, when we go to the map mode, I'm going to click on the map mode, so it will show you the map where exactly it is. So you can see it is showing Chizuta zone, Kisasi. Okay, that's where the currently vehicle is. Now let's move to the next step, and we show you how the vehicle, in case it is stolen, I can show you practically how we do it and how we stop it. Okay, how the system works is when I send a command from my phone, we are using a local network, like for example Airtel or MTN. Now the local network provider set the signal to the satellite. Then the satellite sends the signal to the server, and the server quickly responds back to the SIM card which is on the GPS tracking device. And the command is sent through the server that stop this engine, and it takes maximum 3 seconds, and the command has been sent. Okay, so if the vehicle is moving at let's say very high speed, for example, they have taken it and you learned maybe after 5 minutes or 10 that the vehicle has been stolen. So when you send a command, the GPS is able to know the speed of the vehicle, at what speed the vehicle is moving. And actually it even show you on your phone dashboard that the speed the vehicle is moving, and then gradually it reduces the speed of the vehicle as the fuel is getting done from the car. No matter how, it could be showing the full tank. Okay, but the one who is driving will learn the vehicle is developing some mechanical problem. Okay, so he will be given chance to put his vehicle on the side. So let's say if for example it's moving at 30 km per hour, it will take 10 seconds to stop because he can put. If he's moving at 120 km per hour, then it might take like 1 minute, while the vehicle speed has been reduced, so he's able to put the vehicle on the side.
Wow, that is very interesting. You're trying to tell me that the GPS tracking device actually, from the communication, let me say from the satellite, as you've told us,
yes,
you know, is able to control everything that is there to stop the car from stopping.
I can show you from here the screen of my phone. Actually, let's say that this particular car, we want to stop it right now. Okay, it shows us that first of all you have to understand that these icons which are down, they are all functions of the GPS. Okay, and when it comes to command when we are sending command, we have to click on this icon which looks like a setting icon. I click there and it opens a list. So I have to scroll down. All these are functions. So when it comes to control fuel, as you are seeing, if you can zoom and clearly show that control fuel, when I click on control fuel, it brings me this one, cut off or recover. Okay, it is the same process of cutting it off and the same process of recovering. Okay, so when I click on cut off, it asks me for the password. And one of the reason it does that, it's because in case your phone is let's say being used by somebody, so they have no access to cut off the fuel of your car or delete your device. Now here it requires my password. After putting the password, as you can see, it clearly says the command has been sent successfully. Now once the command is sent successfully to the vehicle, actually now as you can see up there, it is refreshing. So it will show within few seconds that your command has worked. Once we see here on the dashboard that the fuel has been cut off of that particular car, it is going to show right now.
Okay, so the guys, the process is on.
It's on the process, but even if you go to the vehicle right now, the command has been sent and the vehicle will not start.
Okay, guys, like the car has stopped. Mr. Babu was cut off.
See now he's stuck.
Yeah, the car is stuck, and as you can see, the car is now stuck. And definitely to retrieve it, like to ignite it, it can't unless you command it to.
No, you can't. You can actually show it practically that we can go to the vehicle and you try to start that car, it will not start.
That's very awesome. So guys who are out there watching and you own a car, this actually works. What kind of phone does it require to operate? Is it any phone or there is a specific phone?
The application is found on Apple Store as well an Android phone. You can download it from Play Store, Google Play Store. So the application is very friendly and actually it's not heavy, and I think it is something which works with all the phones. So long as there is a data on the phone, you download the application and you will be able to track your car from your phone. As well, if you want to track it from your computer, your tab, you can use anything so long as you have internet connection. As you can see, something which I was showing you, you can see it is showing here on the dashboard, cut off fuel, and are you seeing? Now that one shows the current status of the vehicle is that even if someone goes there and wants to start, cannot start it. Okay. So to recover it is the same process. You click here, you go to control fuel, it comes recover. You click on recover, it will ask you for your password. You put the password and say OK. Set OK, it will recover automatically. We have made it affordable. Previously it was costing 500,000 shilling and they were charging annual subscription, monthly subscription, I don't know, there were a lot of stuff and it was very hard to put GPS tracking device and maintain it, but we have made it very affordable. It is 300,000 shilling, Uganda shilling, and once you buy from us, definitely we are not going to charge you any money for the next 10 years. You have it.
My name is Joseph Chekoti and I'm a company technician. I work with Babu Motors. Yeah, my work is basically to install GPS devices in the motor vehicles and in motorbikes and in televisions and any other house property that can use wiring. Yeah, why wiring is like because this GPS has its internal battery. But it is a long, duration is short. The battery has to drink power from either the car or the motorbike bicycle or the TV because the TV is connected to power.
Okay, so the GPS device is recharged?
Is recharged from the vehicle or and from any other current.
Like maybe the battery of the car.
This is the device itself. And it has where you can place the SIM card that connects you online.
Okay, hold up. SIM card
Yes.
in the GPS tracking device.
Yes.
Then, so you need to have 2 SIM cards, is it?
No,
On your phone and the GPS, or
yeah,
it's
sure. GPS, we are the ones who provide you a GPS with a complete package.
Okay, that word. It's not a telecom company. Okay, okay. It's for specifically for this, special for that. All right, cool.
Online, and when we put this GPS in your car, we put it in a way that we put it and install it on your phone as well, mobile phone, so that you will be able to monitor your vehicle from wherever you are on your phone. You can see its movements, you can see where it is parked, you can see whether it is moving at what speed, and also on your phone you can be able to know the previous movements of your car by clicking on the replay of there's an icon there on your phone.
On the phone.
Yes.
Okay, that's.
Then it will show you where it went all that specific day, because you can log in the date you want to know.
Okay, that's very dope. So I want you to show us how exactly you assemble this. Or you first tell us what is called what here. That's already a GPS tracking device. Yes. So
and this is
what's
where
this?
you can place the SIM card
Yeah.
to activate it, because without the SIM card you cannot activate.
Okay.
To activate it, you have to place the SIM card here,
Okay.
and then now you get the cable,
Okay.
because this cable connects you. Oh, this cable, you see, you can see it is fixed here. It is fixed here like this, and the rest of these wires go to specific areas where only somebody who knows wiring like me can know where. Yeah, like this, you can see this 4, and these are also 4.
Okay.
So every wire here goes on each of this one. And then this socket is also, you plug in this fuse, like this.
So this is a fuse.
This is a fuse. Then now
What's the work of the fuse?
the work of the fuse is to control circuit.
Okay.
That is like yeah. Like for example, like you the car is moving and you are trying to switch off the engine.
Yeah.
This is what command. The command comes from the GPS, and then this one acts. This one will disconnect all this wiring from your car, and no fuel is flowing, and the car will stop automatically. I think. Okay, this is just a gum, a glue for attaching it on the specific place in your car. Yeah. So you peel off this one, and then you put it here, and then you peel off this one also, and then you attach it somewhere in your car, where you cannot even know, you the owner of the car, because we don't advise you even to know, because like we are hiding it from everybody else. Apart from you knowing that you have it in your car and you can see it on your phone.
Okay. But since when you mentioned that you hide it from everybody, the person who's going to steal that car, if they watch this show, they're going to be like, okay, I'm going to try. I know the kind of places at least that they would, try to hide it. So I'll look there and I'll definitely get it. So what's the guarantee when it comes to that you give the client out there that it won't be found easily, maybe?
Well, luckily, it is one of the things we do, to look for a place where we hide it in a way that if somebody is not the one who placed there, it is not easily found. And when a thief is coming to steal a car, he will not have that time of opening all the car and looking for it before he steals. As if he will not even know there is a GPS there, by the way. So he will just come, he starts the car, perhaps he has his way of disconnecting starting up the car. He will start off the car and move. Now for you will know your car is moving, because your phone will show that this car is moving along this street. Because it also shows you this is Bukotoksas Road, this is Apollo Kagwa Road, this is what street. You will be seeing all those streets and you will know exactly that your car is this place. So what you do is you can cut off the engine from wherever you are. The car could be in Gulu and you are in your bedroom here in Kampala. You have to switch it off.
Yeah, actually, Babu showed us that already.
And also, you also have, it also has so many functions, this thing. Because like, you can even geofence your car and say you don't want it to go beyond this perimeter.
Okay.
Like for example, 100 kilometers squared.
Yeah.
So that car will just be moving within that perimeter. The moment it crosses that line, it switches off automatically.
Because it has that automatic feature.
Yeah. You may decide and say, no, I don't want my car to run beyond this speed. Then you set a speed of your car. Like you want it to not go 100 kilometers per, 100 kilometers per hour. Then a speed limit. Then you limit it within 100 below, so that whoever is driving, if it is not you, whoever tries to race it, it will never go beyond 100, even if you race it off. Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much for taking us through that. This is a technician from Babu Motors. Yeah, so here with me, I've landed on somebody abruptly here, but Babu told me I could ask her a few questions because she has acquired this service before. She happened to pass by, and she's called Becky, that's what she told me. But if you don't mind, would you mind introducing yourself to the viewers?
Yeah, hello, I'm Brunj Rebecca. Yeah.
Okay, that's very nice. So Rebecca, you've used the GPS tracking device before, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so how was your experience with it, and why did you opt for it in the first place?
The GPS is okay, is good. Actually, some friend of mine, they stole her car. She parked her car and they stole it. And then they told her about the GPS. Another friend, yeah, then she also told me about the GPS when I bought my car.
You have to wait for your car to be stolen.
I didn't wait for that.
Anyway, that's very dope. So what have you found fascinating, like the process that you went through to apply for it? Was it hectic or was it favorable at the same time? And I want you to advise somebody out there why they would have to opt for the GPS tracking device for their cars.
Okay, the process is not hectic. The process is okay. By the way, you don't even know where the GPS is, but you just have it on your phone. You monitor your car on your phone, and I think it is a good thing. To me, it has been good. Since I bought my car, I know where my car goes. Even if I give it to my friend, and my friend tells me I'm going to Mpiji, it is in Masaka, I see, yeah.
You can get my contacts and all that from the, when you Google for Babu Motors. The number is Airtel 0750859205. Then MTN is 07858737786. So these are my contacts. Please feel free. Even if you do not need a GPS, you can call us for any information or any inquiries. And those who are enjoying having our GPSs, please feel free to ask us anything regarding the GPS. Actually, we have started giving the booklets. When we install a GPS in UICO, kindly don't forget to ask for a booklet, and it is self-explanatory. It will explain to you how to send commands and how to use it.
Yeah, at the same time, I go by the names Gills Collins, and I'm dressed by Hiveware. You know what I mean? You can hook us up on www.hiveware, and you can, go and purchase all the merchandise that there is that you may find there, all these outfits, you know what I mean? So you can go to Facebook as well. Type in Hiveware. You can go to Instagram, all your social media platforms, and also, man, don't forget, I go by the names Gills Collins, and you can hook me up also on all my social media platforms. You go to Facebook, Gills Collins, you go to Instagram, everywhere. So Mr. Babu, come right here and say, goodbyes to these people, and your final remarks, know.
Today my final remarks are going to be with I am going to sing for you guys.
Wow,
I'm going to sing in Uganda.
Oh wow, just let's do this. I want you, come up here. So take over the floor.
Actually, I was used to enjoy this song of before Bobi Wine became into politics.
Okay.
His song, which was very popular, Nam Sangandeva.
Okay.
Nam Sangandeva, Alimusapala, Namabuzavachi, Kariwo Biariwo. Yeah.
That is great.
So I know it up to here only. So, guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. And keep on watching Magic TV. We shall keep on bringing you interesting stories. I'm grateful to my brother Colin. Actually, he has visited us for the second time. And we invite you again and again, please.
Yeah, definitely. He's got another program coming up called Smart Cabs. Look out for it. Mr. Babu Motors right here. Very, very incredible man, and I think he's doing a very great job to, automotives when it comes to our region here in Uganda. So, shout outs to you though. Thanks so much for, everything that you're doing and the opportunities that you're providing for very, very many people here in terms of jobs. So that's it for now, Mr. Babu. We catch up next time, you know what I mean? It's been yours truly, Gleals Collins, and this is my ride. Keep it locked on Magic One, don't touch the dials.